Exploring the almond world. Welcome to the almond world. Almonds are a highly popular and nutritious nut that are consumed all over the world. In this conversation, we will explore some of the key issues related to almonds, including their nutritional value, production methods, sustainability. Almonds are a highly nutritious nut and are considered a good source of several important nutrients. They are high in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Almonds are also low in carbohydrates and contain antioxidants, making them a nutritious snack option. There are several different types of almonds that are cultivated around the world. Non-pearl almonds are large and sweet. Caramel almonds are similar but have a stronger flavor. Mission almonds are smaller and darker. Marcon almonds are round and buttery. Butte almonds are elongated and mild. And Fritz almonds have a thick, hard shell and strong flavor. Almonds are typically harvested in late summer or early fall and dried to reduce moisture content. They are then hulled to remove the outer shell and sorted by size and quality. Almonds can be further processed into a variety of products, including almond flour, almond butter, almond milk. Almonds are an important agricultural commodity that are grown and traded around the world. The majority of the world's almonds are grown in California, which produces over 80% of the global almond supply. Almonds are typically traded on commodity markets, with prices fluctuating based on supply and demand. Sustainability is a key issue in the almond industry, as almond production can have a significant impact on the environment and local communities. Water use, pesticide use, biodiversity, food waste, and social impacts are all important considerations. The almond industry is working to address sustainability issues through a variety of approaches, including improved water and pest management, promotion of biodiversity, reduction of food waste. Water usage is a key issue in the almond industry, as almond trees require a lot of water to grow and produce nuts. In California, the almond industry has made efforts to. The Almond Board of California has launched several initiatives to promote water efficiency in the almond industry. Deforestation is not generally associated with the production of almonds. The majority of almonds are grown in California, which has a Mediterranean climate that is well suited for almond production. Almond trees are typically grown on land that was previously used for other crops, rather than on land that was cleared of forests. Almonds can have a positive impact on soil health when grown using sustainable farming practices. Almond trees can live for decades, and their roots can penetrate deep into the soil, improving soil structure and increasing water infiltration. Almond trees also produce a large amount of biomass, which can be incorporated back into the soil as a natural fertilizer. To further improve soil health, many almond growers are adopting regenerative agriculture practices that prioritize soil health, biodiversity, ecosystem services. Almonds are a highly popular and nutritious nut that are consumed all over the world. In this conversation, we explored some of the key issues related to almonds, including their nutritional value, production methods, sustainability. Almonds can have a positive impact on soil health when grown using sustainable farming practices, and the almond industry is working to address sustainability issues through a variety of approaches. By working to reduce water usage, promote biodiversity, and adopt sustainable farming methods, the almond industry can help to ensure a more sustainable future for both people and the planet.